Hello everyone, my name is Janmesh Kumar, pursuing BTech in Cloud Technology and Information Security from Ajinkya Deva Patel University, Pune. Currently, I'm in fourth year, and in fourth year, I am working on a project that is face detection using Python. So let's get started about the project brief part. What is face recognition? Basically, face detection is a phase where we can identify the faces from video as well as image also. It is basically a well utilized for remote distribution for the proof of administrative purpose as well, and also it will increase the security of the system like for in banking system, transportation system, law system, and many more. The goal of this is to determine if there is face or image is available, we can identify it, and also it will increase the, we can say that the security of the system as well. Then technology brief. So we have to know what are the technology that we are going to use here. First of all, platform per, there are, it supports basically two types of platform, that is Windows as well as Linux. Talking about software, it supports Python 3.6 or later version, then OpenCV, then webcam of our own laptop. Then talking about the hardware part means dual core processor, then hard disk 50 GB is enough, and 1 GB RAM. Then talking about the objective, there are many objective of this system, but one of the most important objective is that it will first time it will it address a face register in it, and it will associate to identify the person. This system is also known as digital onboarding. Then it will use as a user authentication prior to being registered. In that process, the incoming data from the camera is crossed with the existing data in our own database. If the faces match an already registered identity, then the user grant to the system with his credential and also allow them to get access. Then talking about the benefit of it means how this is better approach than older version. It basically provides the second authentication purpose means to add extra amount of security in login process. Then access to the previous contract on online services. Then we can say that check into the tourist service extra. There are many other approaches as well. Then this is basically an ER diagram of the whole project. Then talking about flow chart, how this system is actually working. Then a start, then a camera is running, then it capture images, then it will compare that image with our own database. If the it matches, then it will successfully and generate report. If not, it will show unsuccessfully, and then it also generate report and then in of the process. Then talking about architecture of a whole process, first one is data gathering. Then in train, we can train the recognizer. Then we are using here OpenCV as well as Python for the recognition purpose. Here it will recognize that person from our own database. Then talking about these are some result of it. Now talking about the demo part of it. Before seeing the demo part, first of all, we have to know which platform I am using to write the code of it. Here I am using the platform that is Visual Studio Code as well as using CV for writing the code. Here you can see the whole code of the project. Here I'm scrolling the code. If you want to run that code, you can have to click just here, click here. You can see a pop-up window is open. Here two options are available. First one for the employee, second one for the patient. You can also exit here from here as well as if I am a registered employee, or we can say that I am a new employee, I have to just click on employee. Here a pop-up window is open where we can see that the login time, login date as well, all things are available here. If you are a registered user, you can just click here your username as well as password. If you are a new user, you have to click here registered. Here I am going to type my name, that is Animesh. Kumar. It is password is 12345 and register. You can see a message that is register is successfully. Now you are a successful user. You have to type your username here. That is Animesh Kumar. Then your password 12345. Login. You will see that login screen of employee is open. You can see that logged as Animesh Kumar. You can also log out from here. You can also upload the report of the patient from here. Just see, upload the report of patient. You can also back from here. You can also enter the data of the patient. Just see the data of the patient. There are some patient available in the hospital. Then blood bank. You can also add the number of blood groups as well as bank. Just like you have, if you have a positive photo bottle, you can also want to add from here blood added to the blood bank. Okay. Then you can also recognize your face from here. For that purposes, you have to click on face recognition part. In that, it will recognize the employee face and matches to the database. For that purpose, you have to click on start. Click start. You can see that our own laptop webcam is open. For existing purpose, there are two options available. Just click on exit, or you can also click on queue. Then you can also log out from here. It will show that you will open in the main screen. Here the another version is patient portal. Just click on it. You can see that whether you already uploaded a positive group, it is available or not for the patient. You can click and check from here as well as a that is positive. You can check. It will show option. There are total 412 a positive bottle is available in the blood bank. You can also see the map of it. You can also generate slip of it. You can also see the lab report, their result as well as you can also add one two options like for the availability of oxygens and the bed that is highly necessary these times in the pandemic situation. You can also see two more options that available. First one, you can also generate your sleep. This is the code for generating the sleep. You have just you can also enter the customer name just like Animesh. Then their phone number is just like 999 in anything. Type the name of medicine, that is A1 A. Rate of medicine is just like 10 rupees and the quantity is 5. You can also add items as well as just like if you are 2 or 3 medicine, just like B medicine, if the rate is 8 rupee and again the amount is 5. You can also generate the bill from here as well. You can see that the bill is generating for the bill number, customer name, their phone number, their product quantity, and you can also add more 2 to 3 feature in it. Apart from it, you can also add the record of the employee as well as for that purposes. Click on this. You can add the employee, their IDs, their full name, their email ID, their genders like male, female, or any kind, their post, is which post they want either doctor, professor, or any kind of technical as well as non-technical staffs, uh, their contact number, whatever their salaries, their address. You can also add the record, save the record, as well as print the record. This is all from my side.